Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very happy to see you. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 14 beta. You must be a registered developer in order to install iOS beta 14 to your iPhone. Apple provides developers with beta software only. To register as a developer, follow the link in the video description. This is Apple's official website where you can register developer profile. My point is that it's not possible to update to any beta in the standard way. Beta versions are only available to developers. If you go to the update section, you will see that there are not updates. I recommend it to back up your iPhone before updating to iOS 14 because it's beta version. If you don't know how to create a backup, watch my video about iPhone's backup. Okay, let's start. Follow the link in the video description and follow my actions. Open link, press continue. Login with Face ID or with password. Enter your password. Scroll down and press download profile. Press allow. Now open settings, general, scroll down and here we will see profiles. And here we will see iOS 14. Press to iOS 14, press install, enter your password and press install. After then, go to software updates. Wait for checking. And here we will see iOS 14 public beta 6. Then we wait for the updates to download and async install to the standard method. That's all friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and push subscribe button for more videos and more life hacks. Have a good time.